just got off the Blizzard Black Pearls. I would give this ski a 4 out of 5 stars. It's an intermediate, more advanced level ski. This year they changed the Black Pearl up a little bit. They lightened up the core, and I'm not as big of a fan of it. I think it's a little bit lighter, but it does make for a better all-mountain ski now. It's a little more versatile. It opens up the range of people. It used to be a little bit more of an aggressive ski, and they've really made it a little bit more friendly. So it's got really good responsiveness, and it switches from edge to edge very quick and very easy. So it's going to be a great advanced level ski for a lot of skiers out there looking for an all-mountain ski.